Balsamic can help boost your immune system and lower blood pressure. Green onions are a good source of vitamins A and C, as well as fiber. Basil leaves contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that can support heart health and reduce inflammation. Heirloom tomatoes are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can support a healthy immune system and promote good vision. The tomato mixture in dishes like bruschetta can have many health benefits. Tomatoes are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can support a strong immune system and promote overall health.